This is a problem. We have another problem. So we have another problem.
So, okay.
We have a therapist maybe.
Remember the first action in your mind.
Shock. Total shock. It smells like alcohol. I don't like that blue cheese that we had. Sorry, I know I'm disrespecting your wines, but
No problem.
what's the
What we smell?
fiore?
Tipo
Flower?
fiore, una vaniglia, tipo,
Vanilla. This doesn't smell like my perfume, that's for sure.
o se no, ricorda un po' una crema pasticcera?
No, because it's
dolce.
alcohol. Zabaione. No?
Zabaione, sì.
Ma non so perché non ho mai assaggiato.
Esatto. Sotto shock. Pensa se era sotto vino.
Well, it smells like blue cheese to me. Like
Blue
so.
cheese, herbs,
Yeah, and jasmine. Jasmine I can smell.
già hai indovinato.
E basta.